For high power ventilation systems, a common duct size used is the 150mm round ducting system. As with all ventilation systems, the key thing to check is the spigot size on the fan or cooker hood. If the spigot is 150mm, the system is designed for 150mm round ducting. When round ducting cannot be installed due to space limitations, it can be converted to flat channel ducting using a round to rectangular adapter. This can be straight or a 90-degree elbow bend, converting from vertical to horizontal. The most popular rectangular duct system for 150mm ventilators is 220x90mm. This flat channel system maintains high airflow while fitting into ceiling voids or boxed duct runs. This system is commonly used with high performance cooker hoods, powerful kitchen extract systems, and larger ventilation units. The system includes a range of components such as straight duct sections, connectors, bends, adapters, and external grills, allowing complete high airflow duct runs to be created. A typical installation may run from the cooker hood through 150mm round duct, converting to 220x90 flat channel ducting, and exit through an external wall grill.